Welcome to the call, everyone. My name is Mark. I'm really excited about the information we're going to share with you over the next few minutes. And so if you're here for the first time, you certainly want to take out a pen and piece of paper, jot down a few notes, and then immediately following the call, contact the person who invited you. They'll show you how to get started. With that said, let's get right into it with a short video.
Auto sequence start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flight control, countdown confirmed.
Here's to the creators and the builders. Here's to the influencers and the world changers. Here's to every online entrepreneur waking up every day and making it happen. Here's to the system, the movement, the online academy that pulls back the curtain and reveals exactly how to leverage the power of the internet. This is the place where technology, community, and mentorship collide. It's time to break through plateaus, smash revenue records, and unlock a life of freedom, impact, influence, and income.
Auto sequence start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flight control, countdown confirmed. All systems 5x5.
All right. Well, welcome to the call, everyone. Again, my name is Mark. So glad you were able to join us. So we're going to talk about several things. What separates you from making your yearly income your monthly income? Normally, that is your skill set. Just think about it. Doctors and lawyers, they are paid according to the knowledge that they have. But some people doing other jobs, they don't have any knowledge, any training, and so they're paid according to that as well. So that's what we want to talk with you about today. Now, unfortunately, education is often out of reach for many people due to either the number of years required or the high cost. But here's the good news. Not only is the training offered here affordable, it is thorough, and you can earn while you learn. So what will you learn in this academy, you might be asking? You're going to learn how to build your TikTok following from 0 to 1,000 followers in 24 hours, just like I did over the last couple of days. So this is very important because once you have those 1,000 followers, you can have a hot link on your videos, which makes it very easy for people to be able to get your information. And TikTok is really great. It's one of the hottest social media platforms out there right now. You absolutely want to have a presence there. You're also going to learn how to go viral with faceless YouTube and Facebook content. You can have multiple Facebook accounts and Facebook pages without ever showing your face. And so, people ask the question, would you rather be wealthy or would you rather be famous? Well, if you want to be wealthy, you want to build a brand, and that's one of the things you're going to learn how to do here. You're going to learn how to use a technique called clipping, which enables you to create videos without even making the videos yourself. And that's going to help you to attract followers and skyrocket your income. You're going to learn how to monetize any of the social media platforms, as well as how to build and monetize an email list, because an email list is an asset, and that's something you absolutely want to learn how to do. You're going to learn how to successfully use AI technology to promote any business and also to reduce the learning curve so you can work smarter rather than harder. And also, once you learn these skills, ladies and gentlemen, they're marketable. You can actually, market those services to other people and even create a secondary income should you choose to do so, and much more. So let's talk about, how it works. So here's just an example of my account and how that account grew from over 264 followers to over 1,168 followers in about a 25-hour period. And so I want you to see here, you can see 264 all the way up to 1,168. But here's the other thing. There is the link right there in the bio, and that link can also be on your videos. And so you absolutely want to learn how to do that. So let's talk about how you can make money on YouTube. There are many different ways of doing so. In fact, as you go through this training, the light bulb will go off as you begin to see all the many possibilities on how you and I can monetize the internet. But let's just talk about YouTube for a few moments. You're going to learn how to create what's known as a how-to channel. And if you've got any type of knowledge or skill, a certain skill set, you can actually create a a channel where you teach people how to do what you know. And not only can you generate income from views on that channel, but you can also monetize that list and monetize that channel, and we'll teach you how to do that. You can create what's known as a reaction channel, where you simply just comment on certain things that are going on within the news cycle, and you can build a following that way and get views as well. You can build what's known as a top 10 channel, where you talk about the top 10 most popular places to vacation, for example, or any top 10 things. You can do that and you can create income with that. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So let's just take a look at a few of the things I mentioned. Let's take a look at a top 10 channel. And this particular channel, over a 24-hour period, received over 74,000 views. And the amount of money that it earns per 1,000 views is going to depend on certain factors, but on average, it pays about $18 per 1,000. So in this case, this particular channel earned over $1,000 in one day. But what's so interesting is that this channel also had one video that day that went viral and got over 1 million views. So now you're talking about thousands of dollars in earnings just from that particular viral video. Now, here's another example. This is a how-to channel. This is Chris Fix. Now, he's got a TikTok channel, a Facebook page, and a YouTube channel. So he's monetizing social media in a big way. And he knows a bit about cars. And so he creates videos where he shows people how to do things in relation to cars. And over a 7-month period, he had over 7 million views. And so at $18 per 1,000, that's over $100,000. That's pretty strong for a 7-month period. So that's something that you could create as well, and you'll learn how to do so in this academy. Also, you can create a reaction channel. We talked about that. And that's where you simply react and share your response to a movie, a song, anything that's taking place out there in the world. And this particular channel received 24,000 views in a 24-hour period at $18 per 1,000. That's over $1,000 in one day. Now, you're going to learn how to create a lot of things, such as this video, which I created just a couple of days ago. Let's go ahead and take a look at this next video here. All right, and this is pretty interesting. Let's watch this.
Prepare now to make 2024 your best year ever. Learn skill sets that support what you're currently doing, such as how to do the following. 1. Use technology to connect with client and customers in a way that converts them into raving fans. 2. Drive traffic, leads, and sales to your business, products, or services. 3. Build multiple faceless brands on social media to grow your business. 4. Grow your following and monetize your products or services on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. 5. Start or grow a digital marketing agency. Thank you for watching. Reply info for details.
All right, all right. Now, that is also a video that I created and I learned how to create through this program. All right, let's see if I can get this thing to go to the next page for me.
Prepare.
There we are, great. All right, and so you can learn how to do that as well. And so the Academy is called the Atlas Academy, which simply stands for Affiliate Traffic Leads and Sales. And Monday through Friday, 2 hours of training are held, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. So you're going to learn a ton of things. You're going to learn about affiliate marketing. That's where you market someone else's product, but you don't have to deal with any customers. You receive checks in the mail. You don't even have to handle the money part. They take care of that for you. And you'll learn how to be an efficient affiliate marketer. In addition to that, you'll learn about paid traffic. That's going to enable you to jump the line. You can scale your business and scale your sales when you get involved in paid traffic. You're going to learn all about that. We talked about faceless content. This is where you promote a product or service, create a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or even mentioning your name. This is how you can build a brand. You're going to learn about viral clipping, which is a technique where you use someone else's video in order to create content. You're going to learn about network marketing in a way that you've never heard it before. You're going to learn about list building. That's that email list we spoke about earlier. You're going to learn about high-level marketing. mindset mastery, creative copywriting, among many other things. Now, the founder of the Atlas Academy is Chris Record. Now, he is a multimillionaire, made that money by marketing on the internet, the perfect person to learn from. And of course, he associated with some of the top names in the industry that we all respect. In addition to that, this is the partnership between Atlas Academy and the Internet Income System. And this was founded by Jeffrey Long. He's a coder and a developer. He's been marketing for at least a good 12 years. And he partnered up with Marcus Taylor. Marcus Taylor is an inspirational, motivational speaker who makes some great videos. And it's all about partnership. When you partner up with the right people, you can go much further than when you're operating alone. So one of the benefits that you're going to get here is a unique tool called the video funnel. Now, this technology enables you to launch and skyrocket any business in any niche with this cutting-edge short-form video funnel technology. It's all about improving your efficiency and connectivity, and it turns prospects into subscribers and raving fans. So when you register with the program, you'll purchase what's known as the Builder Package. You'll have access to create an unlimited number of video funnels, but you'll also get 100% resale rights. And of course, you have access to the Atlas Academy, 10 hours per week of live training from Chris Record. You'll also have access to the members area. If you miss a live training, you can always watch the replay. So now let's talk about that video funnel. So you notice the image in the center, and that's a young lady with her daughter. The gentleman on the right, he is actually an AI avatar that I created. You'll learn how to create those as well, and you'll learn how to make them speak. But we're going to say that he is a real estate agent, and he simply just showed this young lady a house. And so now he's following up with her by sending her what's known as a video funnel. And he can send this by way of a text message. All right, so he sends a text message to her, and of course, she's going to see her picture. So she's going to click on it. It says, "One step closer to your dream home with Johnson Realty." Click the image for the video message. And when she clicks on it, she's going to hear this.
Hello, Miss Jones. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for selecting me as your realtor. I'm extremely excited in working with you to find the perfect dream home for you and your daughter. Now that you've seen the first home, let me know if you want to make an offer. If not, I will continue looking and will call as soon as I find something promising. Again, thank you for your business, and I look forward to celebrating your new home purchase very soon.
All right. And so immediately following that message that was created by the realtor simply just recorded that right on their phone and embedded that into the video funnel. Then it's automatically going to take this person to a website, a landing page, or a capture page. So I want you to think about all the many uses of the video funnel. So a lot of uses for a lot of different industries. And this is one of the things you get when you register for this education program. All right,
Hello,
so let's
Ms.
move a
Jones.
little further. So the
I
next
just wanted-
question is this. Let's see if I can get to the next screen. What is the cost? You might be asking. Well, here's the thing. We talked about it being affordable. Well, how about this? How about $20? Only $20 a month in order for you to get this education. Now, this is important because as you're going through this learning curve, it will not be a strain to your finances because it's only $20 a month. Now, here's the great thing. What's so amazing about this $20 is that it also provides upfront and residual income for every person that you refer. And just think about this. Why is that? Because that $20 is actually going to go to you. That monthly subscription is 100% commissionable. That means if you refer just one person to this education program, your cost is now zero. And if you refer more, and that's optional, it's entirely up to you, you can create some secondary income. You refer 5 people, that's $100 paid instantly direct to you, by the way, through a Stripe account. So there is no middleman here. And every month they stay active, that's an additional $100. Of course, you refer 10 people, those numbers double. You refer 5 members, that's $500 paid instantly and $500 a month. All right, so you're able to earn money while you learn, and that is phenomenal. Now, what's so amazing about this? It is very simple and clean cut. The value of the education that you get is many times more than the $20 a month that you would pay. It's phenomenal. And so listen, that concludes our overview. Probably going to take just a few questions here, but what you're going to want to do is get in contact with the person who invited you on the call. They will answer your questions and walk you through the process and show you how to get started. So we're very excited about where we are and what we have. You absolutely want to be a part of this.